Hey YouTube, sick with a 2-package mail day today. The first one is from 7's. He said he had a couple cards for my set, and so we made a trade. And I'll be sending his out tomorrow. So, sorry to all them Bronco fans out there that got their butt whooped yesterday. Now you know how it feels to be a Lions fan. What up, Bronco 79? Let's see what's got in here. Awesome. And let's see. We got, oh nice. Oh wow, cool. Got a Nomar Garcia Parra. Some my camera wiggles. And a Chipper Jones. And a Barry Bonds. That's for the set. And for the other set, the EX Exceptional, we got a Randy Moss red. And one of Den1013. Eddie George. Choice 22. And this is pretty cool. I don't even have one of these yet. Blue. Number 57 out of 100, Mark Brunell. Those are the hard ones to get. Look at those cards. Those are freaking cool. So thank you, Michael. I will have something coming your way, you know it. And next, I have a big, fluffy one here. It says, fun stuff found in Maine. Maine4suze. So, Susie, I don't know what you did. It don't feel like cookies. So, don't worry, you guys got something nasty coming, so. Let's do this. Christmas. So, and another envelope. How do I get in here? There better not be a third envelope in here. And oh my god. No way. You guys. Oh my god. I'll show that last. There's cards in here too. Oh man. This is insane. What's in that package? Got a... Oh, this is the card that Denny... I'll save that last. That's awesome. That's YouTube PC there. Got a Barry Sanders wild card. A Drew Stanton rookie card. And got a couple hits here. Awesome. Got a 50 out of 100. We got... This is out of Leaf Rookies and Stars of Calvin Johnson jersey card. And out of this year's Epics, number 54/299. Are they both 50? Oh. Yeah, Calvin Johnson jersey. And then this is cool. We were on blog one night. I think Denny's got the other half of this. I think it was Chris Johnson, but he cut it in half. I told him to sign it and send it to me, so I gotta... Look at that, 7's. I got a Denny autograph for you too. So, on a job at best. YouTube PC. Going in top loader or magnetic, whatever is first. And this is just insane. You guys are crazy. Look at this. Boom. That is awesome, guys. Thank you very much. Now I'll be wearing this in every... You'll know if I'm wearing this. I got a Mailday from Den1013 and Maine4suze. Thank you guys. That is freaking sweet. They were warning me, and they were right. This is awesome. I got this from their trip to Maine. That is sweet, guys. Wow. Look at that. Thank you very much, Susie and Denny. It means a lot. You know that will always stay with me. So Even though our Red Sox didn't make it, at least the Yankees didn't either, which is good. Go Rangers. Or Giants, whoever. I don't care either way. Just as long as the Yankees didn't get it. But, thanks, guys. Appreciate it very much. I'll be calling you here in a minute.